Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Thursday, May 30th, 2024. We're going up with the market. We're expecting it to move fast, so we're looking for about $1 target, and then we'll manage past that. I'm going to let the price develop for a little bit, and then we'll come back and we'll mark up our charts to show you what we saw.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
All right, let's lock in that dollar and go over what happened. I think the price is going to jump up, so let me move my stop above the price. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. And there's a $2 or at least close to a $2 move.